In this video, I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT on your mobile phone. Whether you're on an Android phone or an iPhone, this tutorial works best for you. First thing you're going to do is to download the ChatGPT application if you don't have it already. So just head over to your App Store or Play Store and type ChatGPT. And there you're going to see the app, this particular one here. That is what you're going to download. For me, I'm going to open it because I already have the application installed. If you're using the application for the first time, then you have to sign up. If not, then you'll be introduced directly to the chatbot. Also here, if you click on these two dots here, you have the option to see your chat history if you have any history, or if you're new to ChatGPT, then whenever you start a new chat, the history is going to appear right here. Also, you have a library option here if you've generated any images from ChatGPT. Also, you are going to see this little icon here that looks like a message icon. So if you click on this icon, then you started a temporary chat on ChatGPT, meaning that whatever you do on this chat is not going to be registered in your history. But if you uncheck this, then you are going to have a chat that is going to be recorded in your history. For example, let's tell ChatGPT to write us a short summer poem. When you're done writing your prompt, just go ahead and click on this arrow button here to send the message. So we can see that ChatGPT delivers our poem just like we asked it, a short poem. So you need to understand that ChatGPT operates depending on how you prompt it. So if you want to get good results from ChatGPT, learn how to write good prompts so that you can always have the results you expect from ChatGPT. So after you're done writing your prompt, what's next? You can copy it using this icon here. If you click on it, then your message is going to be copied. You can also share this message by typing on this icon here, and also you can have ChatGPT read out this message to you by clicking on this icon right here.
Summers whisper golden light on fields aglow, breezes hum and rivers flow.
Also, you need to know that ChatGPT has a paid version and a free version. So on the free version of ChatGPT, in a particular chat, there are limited amount of messages you can send, and also you have limited amount of images you can generate. Also, another amazing feature of ChatGPT is that if you don't want to type out your prompts, then you can just hold this record icon here and record whatever you want from ChatGPT, and you're going to get exactly the same results. So with these tips, just go ahead to try ChatGPT on your phone, play around with it, and don't forget to watch my video on how to write good prompts to get exactly what you want on ChatGPT. If this video helped you, then like, subscribe, and check out my other videos.